Do you guys know that there's an actual skincare product dedicated just for your hair? And it's from Dove, and this is their bioprotein line. Enriched with bioproteins, it's more than just a shampoo. It's a nourishing experience that deeply repairs hair damage from within. Get to experience this for the first time, and so I wanted to share that experience and learning with you guys. So let's hop right into the next clip. I learned a lot about the importance of incorporating skincare ingredients into hair care products, like ceramide, which can help our hair's outer layer, keratin, smoothens and protects our hair against humidity, and biotin to strengthen weakened hair, and also restorative oils to lock in moisture. The Bioprotein Care line is inspired by our hair's natural biology and works in harmony with every strand of our hair to strengthen bonds. The Dove Bioprotein Care focuses on repairing and preventing hair damage, which I really love because I'm currently on a hair care journey and the product release came in at just the right time for me. As you guys can see in the demo, that the hair treated with the new Dove Bioprotein line still looks healthy and smooth despite all the damaging hairstyling that was done. Then I had my hair tested and it turned out to be healthy because prior to this release, I had been loyal to my Dove Dermacare shampoo. The hair transformation they gave us was the highlight for me, you guys, because I'm not good at styling my hair. And despite the heat from the styling tools, my hair still looks shiny and healthy. And they didn't even put anything on my hair, you guys, so I highly recommend checking out the new Dove Bioprotein Care line. As per usual, you guys, I'm starting off with my eyebrows. If you guys are interested with my base makeup routine, I have a separate video and I'll be linking that on the description box below. And for eyebrows, I've been using the Focalier eyebrow pencil. I wanted to create a very soft feminine look today, so I'm just mixing my 3 favorite colors from this palette, and I'm using basically all peachy pink nude colors, and yeah, I'm just applying that all over my lids. Using a darker shade of pink, I'm gonna apply that on the outer corner of my crease. Then I'm just mixing all the shimmery eyeshadow in this palette, and I'm just gonna apply that on the center part of my lids. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the darkest shade of brown in this palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use that to outline my, what do you call that? Lash line. If you're not very fond of applying eyeliner, then this would be perfect for you guys. I'll just use eyeshadow sometimes when I want my look to look a little bit more natural and soft. Then of course, I'm gonna use my BBA creamy eyeliner in linen beige to kind of like brighten my under eye. Next is eyeliner, and I love this eyeliner, you guys. It is really smudge and waterproof. I love it. I've accidentally slept with my makeup on. I know it's a grave scene, but you guys, my eyeliner did not even budge, so yeah, I really recommend this eyeliner. Now using my Dior Glow palette, I'm just gonna mix all 3 highlighter shades and apply that on my aguasal. It's really beautiful. The glitters aren't chunky at all, and yeah, they're just so natural and so beautiful. And then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. This one is my most favorite. It's from the brand called Easy Hand. I believe it's a Japanese brand and I've been using them for years. It's really great for Asian stubborn lashes. because I wanted this makeup look to look a little bit more elevated, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some falsies on the outer corner of my lashes. And I'm just gonna go ahead and powder all over my face, and then after that I'm gonna be using my most favorite product at the moment. It's from Hourglass, and I believe it's their ambient lighting bronzer, and I got the nude light. I forgot the full name of it, but it'll be on the caption, and I really love it. It's just so seamless. It's so good, you guys. I highly recommend to check this out. Also guys, I'm pretty sure the title of this video is Get Ready With Me using all my favorite makeup products. So yeah, just putting it out there just in case I forget. Then of course, I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my nose using the Dior Glow palette. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my most favorite blush at the moment. It's from Clinique, and this is called Ballerina Pop. It's the perfect purple, super cool toned shade of pink, and I really love it as a topper, or sometimes I just use it by itself. It's so beautiful, and yes, you guys can see it just creates the lightest, most natural looking flush. I love it. You guys know I love this product. It's also from Hourglass. I'm just gonna go ahead and use that just on the center part of my cheeks to add a little bit more of color, and it's called Ethereal Glow, and it's their ambient lighting blush, and I'm just in love with this blush so much. Now to smoothen everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Base Powder. It's so beautiful. It really blurs out your pores. It's magical. I love it. Next is lips, and for my entire lips, I'm just using the Wake Make Blurring Tint in the shade Pink Days all over my lips. I'm using it kind of like my lip liner. Next is my current obsession. This is from YSL, and this is their Love Shine Lip Oil Stick. And this is in the shade 44. I love this. It's so perfect. It's so moisturizing. I can't talk about this product all day, so I'm just gonna stop. And yeah, this is the perfect bunny tongue kind of pink. It's so beautiful, you guys. You have to check it out. And lastly, I'm just using my Romand lip tint in the shade Murmur Pink. It's my most favorite, you guys. I love it, and I'm almost out of it, so I'm just gonna repurchase it over and over again. And yeah. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you find this makeup look pretty. So yeah, if you do, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.